Alright guys, so this starts off my LA vlog. I went to Uncle Fung's and this place is really good. Then my boo thing took me to SawDust. I didn't know where I was going originally, hence why I wore these shoes. But if you've ever been to SawDust, it is an outdoor art exhibit and it's so pretty. Apparently it's been here for years and years and years, and I highly recommend. Apparently in the past, SawDust didn't have any lighting, so they just relied on the sun, so everybody would have to go home at sunset. And then we started our next day at Solid Coffee, and we took my boo thing's sister's dog for a walk, and we were drinking our coffee. This is actually one of our favorite things to do in the morning, and his name is Jax. He is the cutest thing ever. After we went to the farmer's market and we picked up some of our weekend goodies. So I always pick up mushrooms, although I always forget them. I always pick up bread from this place. This place is amazing. Their jalapeno cheese bread is the bomb. And then we tried out this place called Smoking Tiger. It has sweet and savory pastries. And then we went to one of our favorite spots, which is Dave & Buster's, and we played some of our favorite games. And this is one of them. I swear to you, I'm usually better at this, but you'll see my score was so sad at the end. This is not me, this is my partner's score. He's really good at this. We ended our weekend eating at Din Tai Fung. This is my first time eating there, and we came for a friend's birthday dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.